Hey everybody, this is Mike, and I'm just talking about my video I made earlier. It was pretty cool. Made it about the Bible, the waterproof Bible. If you're gonna get your waterproof Bible wet, be prepared to dry every single page. Didn't get ruined, but it's like all the pages stuck together. But anyway, this video is talking about power. You know, the Bible is like a power drill. God is the battery that drives the force, that drives the gears and all that, and the Bible is the trigger. So, if you want a little power in your life, read the Bible, trust in God, believe in Jesus, and believe He could do that for you. So, click the power in your life. Read your Bible and connect to God. And let Him give you power through your life.